Hello, this tutorial will discuss doing research in an online environment. You're listening to the voice of librarian Emily Cook. By the end of this video, you'll be able to develop a research strategy and navigate online resources in order to access materials needed for your course assignments. Welcome to the Library Without Walls. The university library is more than a building. In our case, more than two buildings. We are a complex institution filled with capable faculty and staff, ready to facilitate virtual research through our robust resources and collections. So even if you are doing research in a wholly online environment off campus, as WNL students, you have access to our vast resources and help. If you have any questions about the following information, feel free to contact a librarian or just email library@wlu.edu. To view our list of librarians, just click Staff Directory under Fast Finds at library.wlu.edu. The following may be a review for some of you, but that just means you're on your way to being a research expert. Here are some online research tips that apply across a variety of resources. Library paid for and those found on the open web. Tip 1. Brainstorm keywords. Come up with some synonyms. How might someone else describe your topic? Tip 2. Need to search a phrase? Use string searching. String searching is when you sandwich two or more words between quotation marks to ensure phrases are searched as connected words. Otherwise, your search terms may appear in disconnected locations throughout your search results. String searching increases the relevancy of your search results when searching for names or phrases, like Humane Society or Edgar Allan Poe. Tip 3. Filter it. Don't wade through thousands of unhelpful resources. Use provided filters to limit by format, time period, subject, and so much more. Before we dig into online research, let's talk a little about pre-research. When you don't know anything about a topic, not even enough to generate keywords, Wikipedia is a pretty doggone helpful pre-research tool. Use Wikipedia to identify potential keywords and important actors in historical movements. You can later use this information when creating a search strategy for library databases or other verifiable resources. Although your professors might not want you to cite Wikipedia in your final papers or projects, you can use Wikipedia's references list to find potentially citable resources. The bibliography section and further reading section can also provide clues to relevant resources. Moving from pre-research to the actual nitty-gritty research, to avoid running into paywalled content, make sure to start your research at library.wlu.edu. The trickiest part of research is knowing where information lives, basically figuring out where exactly to look. If you are looking for ebooks or general scholarly or academic articles, a good place to start is at the library catalog at library.wlu.edu. The catalog searches our full physical and electronic book collection, and across many of our databases. Because it searches so much content, expect long lists of search results, and remember to filter your searches to meet your needs. Because you might be searching in an online environment, here is how to search for only ebooks in the library catalog. First, type in your search term and click Books Only. Press Enter or just click the search icon. On the left side of your results screen, filter by Available Online. Now you will have immediately accessible ebooks on your topic. Now let's talk about databases. Databases are basically just buckets of content. Each database holds different content, even though there's sometimes overlap. For example, there are general academic databases like Academic Search Complete that provide a broad selection of articles across a variety of disciplines. There are databases that focus on specific topics like Oxford African American Study Center. There are databases that focus on specific disciplines like Business Source Complete. And there are databases that are specific to format, like newspaper databases or ebook databases. To access the library's robust list of databases, go to library.wlu.edu and select Database List under Fast Finds. Okay, this is where I leave you, but only for this video. Remember, the library is here to help. If you find any items you need that the library doesn't hold in its collection, place an interlibrary loan request. If you need some research assistance, getting your hands on a needed resource, or even just citing something in MLA style, we're ready to help. Contact us through our online chat service at library.wlu.edu, reach out to your favorite librarian, or just shoot an email to library@wlu.edu. Welcome again to the Library Without Walls. The library is wherever you are.